This is Tanveer Kazmi from my news channel See the World Through Tanveer Kazmi. It's a very important news I want to discuss about was Australia cricket team refused to play in Afghanistan, and they were complaining that Afghanistan has a problem with the women's rights. For me, it was very important news. It's a very dangerously behavior shown by Australia towards a country which is suffering from the last 5 decades, and they are trying to come out of that. Brother Australian brothers, look, you are not going to discourage people. You have to talk to them, guide them. Keep in your mind, you are following also the book of law from the God's book, gospel, and many they also have Quran and also believer of they believe in gospel and Torah and everybody. Yes, they are a problem. Yes, no doubt, but we cannot discourage. If you have a problem, we need dialogue. Let them talk to them. There is a traditional way of people following. It's nothing to do with oppressing women or oppressing something else. It is basically simply they are following thousands of years of tradition, and also it's commanded by your holy books for the women to cover their bodies before they come out. Look at your Mary's picture, the Jesus mother. Can you ever seen any picture where she is not wearing properly, covering herself from the head to toe? Yes, there are problems with the education system. Yes, they have some reservation about women working as a hair cutting salon and cutting men's hair or something. So keep in your mind, they are suffering from the last 50 years with the wars going on, and millions of people died, and billions of people are suffering in poverty around that area. Continue discouraging them. They are humans. They are Adam's children. We all are Adam's children spread all over the world. If you continue to discourage people instead of supporting them, guide them, whenever you talk through holy books and then tell them, then it would going to work. Oppressing and threatening way which does nothing, creating more hates, and that will again, we suffered a lot from hundreds and thousands of years. Humans are suffering in the hand of Satan, who is our true enemy. He does not want us to succeed in the world. He wants chaos and all these wars going on. People are losing their children and families and houses, destruction everywhere. Please listen, and let's not do that. Go play and talk again and again. They have not that knowledge or advancement that you have. You need to support Islamic world and talk to them. They will listen to you. And we all have to come back to the teaching of God. We have a problem in your countries also, because we're not following the teaching of Mary, and we have the problem in other countries also. So we all are suffering because we are doing something good, something not good. So let's be a brotherhood and work together as a humanity and resolve our issues through dialogue and supporting each other. This way we can bring peace and make our true enemy Satan fail. Take care. See you next time. Bye.